Howdy y'all. The video on the water pump's gonna be delayed by about a week because we needed a few extra parts for it that didn't come in the packaging. That's a mistake on the shipping. So instead, for this week, I'll show you guys how to spot and find a leak on your tractor. So if you guys remember in the last video, I was driving around the thing and there was oil coming from the bottom of a pan over here somewhere. So naturally, you know the leak's coming from around here somewhere. And all the buildup is on this access plate right here. So we're gonna take this plate off and see exactly what is leaking on this plate so we can determine what we can do to fix it. So we're gonna need our long 1/2-inch ratchet, which I got the Extendo Pittsburgh over here on my tool cart. My new little toy. That should be good to go. And I got the Pittsburgh impact sockets because we're gonna use these chromes, we're gonna break them. Alright. You're gonna get an unedited version of me working. No cuts, nothing else. Just me naturally working, no cuts. Except for a pause to grab my tools with no other cuts. So the size is 1 1/13. Let's pop this plate off. I'm gonna give you guys the golden shot of up under this damn thing right here. Grimy, slimy, and oh so oily. Wow, that first one came was pretty easy. I guess the oil really does work to lubricate things. I'm gonna have to change what I said earlier and have to do a few cuts on this because I can't safely work on my phone getting damaged by the oil. So I'll jump back in till we got this plate off this thing. Alright, so we got the panel off. Let's see what's under it. We'll see together, guys. Alrighty. Oh wow. Just a transmission and clutch. And the rear main of the engine. Okay. Which means the leak is probably from our rear main seal. But I can show you guys how to fix that with a cheap solution. We're gonna try it out anyway on this one. It'll sometimes save you having to make you rebuild the engine. Otherwise, we're gonna have to rebuild that rear main seal. Alright, now I'm gonna put everything back together again like I found it. So see you guys when this thing is back up in the air. Alright, now I got this thing finger tight so I can show you guys how to make it properly out with the ratchet. I'm gonna let this thing just run while I tighten it all down, and I'll pick it up when I get it all tightened. Alright, listen to me grunting and groaning with this ratchet in my hands. I'm going to do a cross hatch pattern to make sure it's evenly on there. Doesn't really matter if you do that or not, but it makes me feel better. So I'm going to do it. Oh yeah. I love the clicks of that ratchet. Just sounds like it's doing some work, which it is. Oh yeah. Now for the last bolt. And then a final inspection on all 4 of them. Alright. And that's why you inspect them right there. Sometimes they'll get looser. We tighten a few more up. Oh yeah. See? Another one loose. That one's good. And that one's good. All the ugga-duggas ever right there. That thing is tight as hell. Thank God for this Pittsburgh adjustable ratchet. This thing is dope. Extendo reach on it, makes it a breaker bar and ratchet in one. Decent. Cheap as hell. With a lifetime warranty again. Decent. In the next episode, I'll show you guys either how to swap that water pump out, like get the parts in, or we're going to try out a product I've used before in the past that can, like 75% of the time, fix your leaks. Either way, it'll be an adventure. See y'all next time.